I tested over 50 AI tools this week, and most were useless, but these 7 free ones actually crush their paid competitors, which include 3 tools that honestly feel illegal to use. The first tool I'm going to talk about is Google AI Studio TTS. This is a secret 11 lab killer because it lets you create high-quality, supernatural AI voice for completely free. And it has multiple voice characters. And the best part is that it lets you decide how the voice should sound. So if I want a storyteller, I can just type in that and generate the sound.
The rain hit the roof like tiny drums. Outside, the whole town was dark. A boy named Arun sat by the window watching the storm.
Can you even tell that's AI? In fact, this whole video is voiced by this AI, and you couldn't even tell. Next up is a literal AI Photoshop that's 100% free, which is Nano Banana. Forget just making fake photos with MrBeast because this tool goes way deeper. You can erase, add, or swap anything in an image in seconds without ever touching Photoshop or paying for a subscription. It's the ultimate cheat code for creators. Just open Gemini, flip on the thinking mode for Nano Banana Pro, and you're literally cooking. The next AI is honestly the most insane tool I've ever seen. It's called Google Stitch, and it's a fully automated UI builder that turns hours of manual labor into seconds. Watch this. If I tell it I want an iOS liquid glass style settings panel, look at that. If you tried doing that in Figma as a beginner, you'd be crying for hours. Stitch builds full UI systems in under 2 minutes. Mobile, desktop, web, you name it. To prove it, I'm building the entire UI for a mobile junk cleaner app right now.
A few moments later.
See that? A fully functional UI. You can even upload a messy hand-drawn sketch and it'll turn it into a high-res masterpiece. Pro tip, use the Gemini Flash model for instant results. But you're probably wondering, is there a tool to actually code this design? There is. I'm showing you that in a second. If you're tired of staring at spaghetti code, Google Canvas is your new best friend living right inside Gemini. It's not just a chat box, it's a dedicated workspace that actually gets your logic. Got broken code giving you a headache? Drop it in. Canvas doesn't just fix it, it explains the why and refactors the whole structure. It's like having a senior dev coaching you through every line. And the best part? It's unlimited and completely free. Wait, if this just saved you 4 hours of debugging, hit that like button and sub to the channel. It helps the channel more than you think. Now, back to the heat. Remember that fire UI we just made in Stitch? It looks amazing, but it's just a pretty picture. Until now. Enter the Google AI Studio build. This is the bridge between cool design and working app. Upload your Stitch UI, tell it to handle the backend, and watch it work. It spits out clean, Electron-ready code you can export as a real .exe file immediately. We went from a blank screen to a fully functional mobile junk cleaner in just 11 minutes. This feels 100% illegal. No limits, no subs, just pure God mode. Watch how smooth this runs. Visual of app. That's the power of AI, baby! Ever wanted to put your product in a cyberpunk volcano without hiring a VFX team? Meet Google Whisk. Think of it as a literal visual blender that creates 4K masterpieces without you writing a single word of prompt. It solves the biggest problem in AI, consistency. Just drop in your subject, like my phone, and a scene, let's say Neon City, and a style as a 3D glass. Whisk brews them together perfectly, keeping the phone looking exactly like the real product. Boom, I just got a professional marketing shot for my junk cleaner app in seconds. It's like having a CGI studio in your pocket. The craziest part? With a click of a button, it can animate the shot using Google VO to turn that static shot into a cinematic trailer. You only get 7 VO generations per day for free, but since you can create unlimited accounts, 7 isn't too bad. This is the ultimate way to brand your app or whatever for $0. The final tool has saved me so much time. I've actually forgotten how I lived without it. It's called Google NotebookLM. Imagine you have 50 PDFs, a dozen websites, and a 3-hour YouTube tutorial you need to learn. You just drop them all in and it becomes a genius assistant that knows every single detail. It can tutor you and give you pop quizzes and help you learn all of that in like 20 minutes. But here's the part that feels 100% illegal. Hit the audio overview button in the new studio panel. And it generates a full-blown professional podcast where 2 AI hosts discuss your notes. They sound so real, with jokes, banter, and human-like sounds that you could upload the audio to Spotify and nobody would know. You can even use interactive mode to join the conversation and ask the hosts questions in real time. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or a creator, you can turn your research into infographics and slide decks in one click. It's the ultimate mic drop for productivity, and yeah, it's completely free. At this point, there's zero excuse not to be using it. And there you go. That's the God Mode Starter Pack, the 7 best free AIs that will make your workflow 100 times better without costing you a cent. If you're not using these, you're basically working on hard mode. I've linked everything in the description. Let me know in the comments which one felt the most illegal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.